People who are involved in motor vehicle accidents immediately think that the insurance company of the vehicle that they are sitting in is their friend. They're the ones that are going to help them through sometimes what is a very difficult process. They are not. Again, the insurance companies of the car you're in have a duty and responsibility to their shareholders and have a desire to protect them and pay as little as possible in cases. Now, contractually in your insurance policy, and every policy in New York State, the insurance companies are able to hire what they call independent medical examiners to take a look at you. These doctors will take a look at you, provide what I would say is a rudimentary exam sometimes or none at all, and look at your medical records, and then make a determination as to whether you should be allowed to have additional medical benefits or whether you can go back to work. Now, these doctors, I can assure you, are not doctors that are going to be fair. Independent medical doctors are hired by insurance companies because they know the responses that they get from these particular doctors. So these doctors are hired, and we see them all the time because the insurance companies are well aware, based on past experiences, that these doctors will do whatever the insurance companies want. When you go to an independent medical exam, the key is to just make sure that the medical examiner knows exactly what your injuries are. Overstating injuries is the kiss of death. There's no reason to overstate the injuries, because as soon as an independent medical examiner thinks that someone is overstating their injuries, the tendency is to put that in their exam and cut people off. We also don't want people to understate their injuries. You know, I was told a long time ago that if you sat me in a chair and hit me in the head with a mallet every day for a year, I would get used to it after a while. And when you go into a independent medical examination, you need to be that person who is not feeling maybe the pain for the 5 months and describing it differently, but for the first day. So when someone goes into an independent medical examination, it's important to be honest, not understate or overstate, and to simply make sure that any of the questions that are being asked of that individual by the independent medical examiner, as long as they are appropriate and related to the accident, are responded to.